Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Delsym is recognized for its effectiveness in suppressing coughs, particularly those that are dry and non-productive. Its active ingredient, dextromethorphan, works by reducing the urge to cough, providing relief for extended periods due to its 12-hour formula. However, it's important to use it as directed and consult the healthcare provider if the cough persists or is accompanied by other symptoms, ensuring it's the right treatment for your specific situation.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.